If you are watching this, you are probably already aware of the potential health benefits of fasting. These may include better blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity, improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, cellular repair, improved mitochondrial function, brain health, and healthy aging. Results vary, and fasting is not suitable for everyone, so seek professional advice before making major changes. But what no one talks about is the practical side. Eating less means fewer shopping trips, fewer shopping lists, less traveling, fewer queues, less unpacking groceries, less cooking, and fewer dishes. It also means less washing up, because there are fewer plates, pans, and utensils to clean and put away. Cooking less can use less gas and electricity, which may help reduce your household energy bills. And eating less can mean fewer trips to the toilet, simply because there is less food and drink moving through your digestive system. The time you save can go toward family, exercise, walking, hobbies, relaxation, meditation, or simply doing nothing. Fasting is not only about what may happen inside your body, it can also give you back time, effort, and money. Now let us look at the bigger lifestyle picture. When you spend less on food, you may be able to buy better quality ingredients instead of simply buying more. That could mean fresh vegetables, organic produce, or higher quality meat. Depending on your preferences and budget, eating out less may also reduce opportunities to encounter poorly prepared or contaminated food, although it is never a guarantee of safety. There is an environmental benefit too. As more people live on our planet, pressure on land, water, and agricultural resources increases. Eating less can reduce demand for food production, packaging, transport, and waste. If you want to reduce your impact on animals but do not want to give up meat completely, eating less meat can still reduce your animal product footprint. More family time, time to talk without rushing, play with your children, share a walk, or simply be present with the people you love. That reclaimed time can also support exercise, hobbies, meditation, creative work, or proper rest. The point is not to replace food with another kind of pressure. The point is to create a calmer routine that gives you more choice. Another practice sometimes mentioned alongside fasting is intermittent hypoxia, which means deliberately changing oxygen exposure. This can be risky, especially with unsupervised breath holding. Never practice breath holding in water, while driving, or without understanding the risks. If you have a medical condition, take medication, are pregnant, underweight, or have a history of disordered eating, get professional advice before fasting. The bigger message is simple. Making healthier choices and spending less may help you become wealthier and healthier over time. Share this video because practical health information could save someone's life or at least save them a few miserable trips to a public toilet. Fasting should support your life, not take it over.